Fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today we are going to do a sort of how to repurpose some of your Dollar Tree items, your mirror items, for some glam home decor. So for what you're gonna need for this project is you're gonna need one of Dollar Tree's 8-inch mirrors. I'm gonna clean them. You're gonna need one of Dollar Tree 5-inch mirrors. You're gonna need one of Dollar Tree's, this is a 3-inch mirror. This is their is this 3 or 4? Yes, this is the 3-inch mirror. This is over in the hair supplies department. It's on a compact, as well as this 2-inch mirror. It's also on the aisle where the hair supplies it, and it's the compact as well. So these are the mirrors that you're going to need. You also need a set of Dollar Tree's lights with some batteries. You're going to need one of Dollar Tree's napkin rings. You're going to need some popsicle sticks. You're gonna need a brooch. This is optional, as well as the lights are optional, but you'll see how well the lights show different with the mirror set shows with the lights. Y'all have to excuse me because y'all know I've been away for a long time, and so I'm just getting my bearings. I told Renee, thank you Renee for keeping in contact with me, that I was going to record a video, and I'm a woman of my word, so I wanted to come and do this. I will tell you in another video, just a plain video, no DIY, where I've been, what's been going on with me. And right now I'm not going to give a particular day or amount of a particular day of the week or typical number out of the week of how many DIYs I'm going to upload. But I'm just going to say right now, I'm trying to get my feet back wet, and when I come up with something, which I have a lot, I will be presenting it to you guys. Okay, so let's hop right on into this. So the first thing you're going to do, always know, you're going to clean your mirrors, and I'm just using window cleaner. Also, you can use vinegar and water. That's a good thing to clean your mirrors with if you don't have any window cleaner. So I'm not going to talk much while I'm doing this, or I may talk and just take it out. But I'm going to try not to do much talking, just explain each step. So starting now, I'm just going to clean the mirrors. And remember, this is repurposed stuff. So if you do what I do and repurpose, you might have a little bit more cleanup than normal. And as well as I have, because I have glue, but that glue is going to work to our advantage in a few minutes, and you'll see why in just a second. Trying to clean them and not put my handprint back on it. It's harder than it looks. Okay. So after you have everything clean, the next step is, oh, and I forgot, you're going to need some hot glue, or you're going to need some permanent adhesive and hot glue. I'm just using hot glue for the purpose of this video. Okay, so you want the you want to glue the napkin ring on the back of your 8-inch mirror, and that is because your battery pack is going to sit right behind it, and you need something to compensate for the battery pack. But also, this is going to serve as our hanging mechanism as well. That's the plan. So find the center, and that's the center. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add one of your popsicle sticks to the back of your 5-inch mirror, and you're going to make sure that the bottom end is going to be clear, have nothing on it, and you're going to place the 2 ends together that has nothing on it, and you should get a little gap that looks like that. And so once you get that, you're going to place some hot glue. And this is a quick DIY, and it will give you a great impact in your home and on your wall. So, just like that. Then, of course, you see where I'm going with this. You're going to take your 3-inch, and this 3-inch has, it has hot glue on it right here. Now, if you don't want to use hot glue, you can go ahead and put another popsicle stick. But since this was here, I decided I was just going to go ahead and use that as my elevation for this one. So, just get a little bit of this off. So, same thing. Put some hot glue down. And just for added measure, I'm going to put a little bit more right there to give it a little bit of fullness. Okay. And last is your 2-inch mirror. And I am going to, how did I do that? I am going to glue this one sitting like this. It's going to be sitting, so I'm going to glue it all the way across. Now, you don't have to do that. The only reason why I'm doing it is because it is there. The stick is there. And I'm going to turn the stick up and down. So try to keep try to balance it. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Totally Dazzle brooch, and we're going to put it on our 2-inch mirror. And guys, Totally Dazzle is a Natalie over at Totally Dazzle. She is a very, very caring woman about her customers and about her product. And if you haven't used some of Totally Dazzle brooches and napkin rings and different things to that nature, you don't know what you're missing out on, because they have some beautiful pieces, and your pieces don't have to just be used for DIYs. You can use them on your everyday scarves and different things to that nature. So this is what you should have right here when you're finished. And I'm going to show you another way for if you want to spruce this up even more. But this is for my women and and decor people that likes simple, modern, clean things, but with just a splash of glam. And so that's that splash of glam. But I'm going to show you for my full-on glam girls what you can do in just a second. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my battery pack is faced the right way. And that's up and out like that. And this way I can get to the changing thing. And I'm just going to put a bead of glue right down the back of it. And stick it right here. And for added measure, I am going to add some tape, because we know sometimes our hot glue can give out on us. And I'm going to unravel my lights. And it doesn't have to be Dollar Tree lights. And also you can get battery operated lights where it'll be easier for you to turn off and on. And I'm just doing these for Dollar Tree purpose. Dollar Tree does offer push lights as well. And so now I am going to start putting making sure that my lights stay on the underside. You want to make sure you try to get it as even as possible. You don't want too much showing on one side. And the back doesn't have to be neat, because no one's going to know what's back there but you. And of course, you guys know because you're watching me. But if you wasn't watching, you wouldn't know, right? It looks like it's going to go around twice. I'm trying to get them in a different spot. Spots that seem like it may be. Alright, and make sure you test your batteries before you go through all this. Alright, now this little piece doesn't seem like it's heavy, but it really is. It's really heavy and it's solid. So I'm going to hang this up, and when I hang it up, I'm going to actually use a screw, and I'm going to drill the screw into the wall, and then I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the tip of the screw and inside of the napkin ring, so that can give it some more security as well. So now for my girls that are full glam on girls, you can add your bling around the edges, and also if you want, you can add a crystal dangle. And for this one, I don't have I have this type of hanging mechanism. You can get these off of picture frames as well that Dollar Tree offers. And also this is a crystal that I ordered probably from, oh God, I forget, Amazon, probably Amazon. So guys, I'm going to set this up and I'm going to come back so you guys can see it in hanging up. Okay guys, I did exactly what I told you guys not to do. I'm rushing, so I didn't hold it until the glue set. So now I have to go and get another one of these mirrors and do it again. Okay guys, so when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So the bottom one is the one that had the larger mirror on it and it fell and broke. So what I just decided to do was make one small, one medium, and one large. And then tie it together with bling. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I say that, I truly, truly, truly mean it. I love you guys. Bye.